In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI to make a to-do list. This is a quick way to organize tasks and plan your day more efficiently. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to create a to-do list. For example, I might type, "Create a daily to-do list for working from home." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will then generate a to-do list with several tasks or steps based on my request. If I want the list to be more organized, I can ask Claude to format it as a checklist or a numbered list. For example, I could type, "Turn this into a checklist with checkboxes." Once Claude generates the to-do list, I can copy the list and use it for planning my day or managing tasks. If needed, I can also ask Claude to add more tasks, reorder the list, or simplify the steps. And that's it. I've successfully created a to-do list using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.